Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Dr. Brush Authorized Alkaline by All-Purpose Power Scrubber Cleaning. You can get this for about $20, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, plus tax. This is a great item. I just wanted to show you guys what you can get. It's a big bag here. I already opened this bag. I already used one of the brushes, so I don't have one of the brushes here, but I'll let you guys know which one. It's a great little deal, great little jig for the drills, for the impact drivers. All right, let's unbox this or unpackage this. I'm just gonna take them out one by one by this end because I already have this open. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So the first one out of the box, seems like a brush, but at the end here, this is attached to a drill. So if you're gonna be cleaning something else, you got different brushes you guys could use. This is one of the brushes. It does have an adapter here for the drill or the impact driver. I'll show you guys how that feels. I do have a Milwaukee impact driver, so it feels really solid. That's the way it looks when it turns. So obviously I'm not gonna touch this because it's gonna wipe my hand there. It's gonna clean it. But yeah, it fits really solid in there. It feels really good. So I definitely recommend these for you guys. So this is one of the brushes, and then this one I already used it. This is one of the pads. It does have like a, what is this, like a 3-inch pad, 3.5, and it is Velcro, so you can stick any other. I already used this to wax part of the vehicle, but yeah, you can use this to Velcro it, pretty much different attachments. And then we got this is like an extension. This one's like an extension here for the impact driver. Then again, guys, for the price, for what you're getting, don't expect higher quality stuff. Obviously, this pretty much works. It works, but it's not gonna be perfectly clean. Obviously, a little bit of shavings in there, and so don't expect it to be perfect when you put it out of the. But still, the brushes are in fairly good quality. These are really nice, as you guys see there. So I use this to clean, like if you got, if you're doing cooking outside and stuff like that, and you're having a hard time cooking the surface of the, of the pot or whatever, or if you're using a grill or something, you can use something like this to clean it out. Even for the bathroom, if you want to use this to clean the bathroom, a bathroom or whatever, you can pretty much use that. You got another smaller brush here, maybe like a 2.5 inch or 2-inch brush, and then you got a small brush here, smaller than this one. So it comes in fairly different sizes, you guys see there, and it comes with this universal adapter. So basically you can put it anywhere you want. Obviously you got a hex end there and another end here. Maybe this is for the drill. I don't think this is for the impact driver. This is mostly for the drill. Then you got some abrasive flaps. If I can take it out. Got some abrasive discs here. They are compatible with this. You can stick them up on there with the Velcro with that side. And then you got another sponge like the one I have there. So you can use this for waxing or whatnot. So there's that. And then you got a finer, a little bit of finer. I don't know if this is finer or not. Yeah. The green one's a little rougher. This one's a little finer. So you have those. And then you got a couple more over here. I just thought I want to share this with you guys. Just a little jig for the drill. If you want to, use the drill for cleaning, help you out with the cleaning. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.